Hello kids, this is Mr. Reyes here. I'm your first grade teacher at Clifford Davis Elementary School. Today we are going to be working with some work of math of the book Stepping Stone of Origo. We are going to be working on lesson 2.1. We are going to be identifying one more or one less. What is the meaning of one more? One more means that we need to add one more to them. So we have one more. And we have one less. So one less means that I have to put one and I have to subtract. Something that is important is that one more means that we have to go to the right, because if I am in 6 I need to have one more, I move one time to my right, so it's 7. But when I have one less and if I am in 8, what I have to do is go one back to my left, so I'm going to be here, so it's one less. So we could write that in there. So very good. Let's continue with the class. Right now, they're telling us in here what number are missing on the cube number tracks. So this is a cube number track, and they're asking us for the missing numbers. So I'm going to underline this because that is important. How do I know that? So let's check. I think that we could count, and if we count, we could work with all of these. So let's start counting from here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My next number is 12. So I'm going to write 12 in here. Then I have 13, and my next number is 14. So right now I have all my numbers. Remember, every time that we are working with one more means to add 1 and go one more to my right. But when say one less, what I have to do is subtract 1 and go one less to my left. Now, let's continue with the class. Here, you could write this one in your book. So the only thing that you have to do is write the 12 and the 14. So do it that right now. Good. So we need to do here the 12 and the 14 that we know already that. So now say, color red the cube that show one more than 5. So I need to go here and I'm going to get one of my pencils because they say 5, so it's one more. That means that I have to go to the right. So I need to go to this side and I have to go to 5. So I need to find my 5. Here is my 5. So go in the top and I move 1 to my right. Very good. So right now I need to count that and I need to color that in red because they tell me to color one more in red. Very good. Why do I put in here this line in the top? I put this line in the top because tell me that I have to go one more, so I need to move one more to my right. So for that, I'm going to put it in here. Very good. Right now, let's go to the next one. We already do this one. We say the red color, and we have right now to do the blue color. But I'm going to start with the red again to have it all of them together. So let's see. I have in here my number, that is number 5. So I'm going to get my number 5 again. They say that I have to do it in red. So for that, I'm going to put red one more. And I have to go in from 5 to here. So it's one more, 6. I'm going to now color the 6. So I'm going to color my 6. Very good. You have to do the same that I'm doing right now. Now, they tell me to color blue the cube that shows one less. So say blue. So I'm going to get my blue and I'm going to put my blue over here so I know what is my blue. And they say that is one less. So one less means that I have to go to my 5 again. So this is my number 5. So I go to my 5 and now I go one less to my left because it's one less. Right now, I'm going to color number 4, that is the number that is one less than 5. So let's color this one blue. Very good. Now, they say color green the cube that show one more and one less than 10. So now it's green. So I'm going to get the green. And they say one more and one less. So for that, I'm going to get my color green, and I go in here, and I'm going to color this one green. And now I'm going to get my number, and I go into number 10. This is my number 10. One more is going to my right. So this is one more, so it's plus 1. And I'm going to move to this side to one less. And this means 1 minus 1. Very good. Now, I have to color them. So which one I want to color first? So let me see what they asking me. They asking me to show one more than and one less than 10. One more is coming first, so let me do one more. So it's 10. One more is going to my right, so I'm going to color this one green. One less, I go into my left, so let's color this one green. Very good. Awesome job. If you have all of these, like the one that I have, you are doing a great job.